Hello friends, I'm super excited to tell you about a really cool place. This place is Fethiye. It's a beautiful town in Turkey. Fethiye is on the southwest side of Turkey. People call this the turquoise coast. The water here is a really pretty blue-green color. It shines like a pretty stone. Green mountains meet the clear sea. It looks like a perfect picture. Fethiye is a place with lots of sunshine. It's warm for a long time, for many months. You'll feel happy and relaxed here. It's a place for great vacations. Fethiye isn't just pretty, it also has a lot of old stories. People from long ago lived here. They left behind really neat things to see. You can find old graves cut into big rocks. There are old broken parts of cities from long ago too. Walking around Fethiye is like going back to old times. You can learn a lot about how things used to be. It makes your trip super interesting. The people here are super friendly and welcoming. Turkish people are very nice and love to share how they do things. When you come to Fethiye, you'll find lots of fun things to do. Do you like beaches? Fethiye has some of the best. Do you like adventure? You can try paragliding or scuba diving. Maybe you like nice, quiet walks outside. The mountains are perfect for that. There are fun markets to look around in. You can buy nice things to take home. And the food! Turkish food is super yummy. You'll want to eat it all. Fethiye has something for everybody. So get ready to find out about Fethiye with me. We'll look at its famous places. We'll talk about fun things to do. I'll tell you about good places to sleep. And yummy places to eat too. Fethiye is a town that you'll really love. It's a place you'll want to come back to many times. I know I do. Let's start our trip to this wonderful Turkish place. You're going to love it. I know you will. One of Fethiye's best things is Ölüdeniz Beach. Oludeniz means Dead Sea in Turkish. But this name is because the water is very still. It's not because there's nothing living there. It's super pretty. This beach is famous all over the world. People everywhere know about it for its really pretty blue lagoon. The lagoon is a special area they take good care of. The water is not deep and it's nice and warm. It's great for families with kids. The colors here are so cool. Super blue-green water and white sand. Picture yourself at Oludeniz. The sun is shining bright. You're sitting on the soft white sand. Small waves softly touch the beach. It's so calm and nice. You can see green pine trees on the hills nearby. The air smells fresh and clean. Lots of people come here to relax and swim. You can rent a comfy chair and an umbrella. Then you can just enjoy the nice day. It's really like a piece of heaven here. There are other fun things to do at Ölüdeniz too, not just relaxing. The calm water in the lagoon is great for paddleboarding. You can also rent a small boat and look around. The main beach, called Belkikiz Beach, is big and wide. It sometimes has bigger waves, and that's fun. You can also take a boat trip from here. These boats go to little bays and islands close by. There are places to eat and drink along the beach. You can have good food with a pretty view. Ölüdeniz is more than just a pretty beach. It's a place that makes you feel happy. The pretty nature is amazing. It makes you feel cheerful. Lots of people like to take pictures here. They love the great views. Many people say it's one of the prettiest beaches anywhere. I think they're right. When you visit Fethiye, you really have to see Ölüdeniz. You'll see why everyone likes it so much. Don't forget your camera. Let's check out 2 more super cool places near Fethiye. First, we'll visit Kayaköy. It's a really special village. Kayaköy is now a ghost town. That means it's a town where no one lives anymore. Lots and lots of old stone houses are empty. They are on the side of a hill. It looks really interesting and a bit sad. People from Greece used to live here. They left a long time ago, in the 1920s. Now it's like an outdoor museum. Walking through Kayaköy is like stepping into a storybook. You can feel the old times all around. It's quiet and a little sad, but also really pretty. When you walk around Kayaköy, go slow. Look at the empty houses and old churches. Think about what it was like to live here a long time ago. The views from the top of the village are great. You can see the fields and the sea all around. Wear good shoes because the paths are bumpy. There are a few little cafes near the way in. You can have a nice drink after your walk. Kayaköy is a place that makes you think. It really shows you what happened in the past. If you like history, you have to see it. Next, let's go to Saklakent Gorge. This place is made by nature and it's amazing. Saklakent means hidden city in Turkish. It's a really deep, big crack in the earth. It's one of the deepest ones anywhere. It's 18 kilometers long. That's pretty long. A river runs at the bottom of the gorge. The water is super cold even when it's hot outside. It feels really good and cool. To see the gorge, you walk on wooden paths. They are built on the sides of the tall rocks, over the fast water. It's a fun adventure. You'll feel tiny next to the huge rock walls. Going to Saklikent Gorge is a cool thing to do, and it's really cold there too. After the wooden paths, you can walk right in the river. The water isn't deep in most places in the summer. It's good to wear water shoes. Some people like to try river rafting here too. There are restaurants built on stands over the water. You can eat yummy fresh fish and enjoy the cool air. Saklikent is a good way to get away from the hot summer sun. It shows you how amazing nature is. You won't forget Kayakoi or Saklikent. Are you ready for a super exciting adventure? Fethiye is one of the best spots anywhere for paragliding. Imagine flying like a bird, way up high in the sky. You can see the super pretty Oludeniz blue lagoon from way up. The view is so amazing. It's hard to find words for it. This is something you'll remember forever. Lots of people come to Fethiye just to do this. Lots of people do it here, and it's something almost anyone can try. You start flying from Babadag Mountain. Babadag means Father Mountain. It's super tall. You'll go up the mountain in a car or a van. The ride up is fun too, with great things to see. At the top, you'll meet your helper, the pilot. You'll fly together. This means you're safely hooked to a pilot who knows all about it. The pilot does all the work. You just have fun. They'll tell you everything. You'll feel safe. It's super exciting when you start flying. Once you're in the air, it's like magic. You float nicely in the sky. The wind blows through your hair. Look down. The blue lagoon is so blue. The beach looks so small. You can see boats that look like little toys in the water. The mountains around Fethiye look even bigger and prettier from up there. The flight is usually about 25 to 45 minutes long. It depends on the weather. Your pilot might even do some fun spins if you want. Or you can just have a nice, calm flight with pretty views. Landing is soft and easy. You land right on Belkaki's beach in Ölüdeniz. People on the beach will see you land. You'll feel so proud and happy. Lots of companies do paragliding. Pick a good one that people trust. They will have good gear and pilots who know what they're doing. Paragliding in Fethiye is a really popular thing to do. If you want something exciting and want to make great memories, try it. It's something you might only do once, and it's amazing. You will love it. Scene 5. Blue Water Fun Fethiye's Great Boat Tours. You know, one of the best ways to see Fethiye's pretty coast is on a boat. There are like tons of boat tours you can go on. And guess what? They're super fun. These tours take you to secret little beaches and clear blue-green water. You can swim, look at fish with a snorkel, and lie in the sun. It's a really nice way to spend your day. The most famous one is the 12 Islands tour. But hey, don't worry, you don't really go to all 12 islands. The name just sounds cool. You stop at about 4 or 5 pretty places. Every stop is a chance to jump in the awesome water. The boats are usually old-style Turkish wooden boats. They're called gulets. These boats are super comfy. They have comfy chairs on top to lie in the sun. And there are shady spots too, if you want to stay cool. The people working on the boat are nice and help you out. They give you a yummy lunch on the boat. Usually it's tasty chicken or fish with pasta, salad, and bread. Picture eating good food while you're floating on the water. The things you see are always beautiful. The boat trips usually start in the morning about 10 o'clock. They get back late in the afternoon, around 5 or 6 in the evening. Some famous places they stop are Butterfly Valley. Lots of different butterflies live in this valley at certain times of the year. It also has a pretty waterfall. You can walk to it. Another nice spot is Aquarium Bay. The water is so clear there. You can see fish swimming all around you. It's like a big fish tank made by nature. St. Nicholas Island is another cool place to stop. It has old, broken parts of churches. You can look around the island. Camel Beach is a fun stop with a sandy beach. Every little beach area is special in its own way. You really have to take a boat tour when you're in Fethiye. It's great for everybody. Families, couples, and people traveling alone. You'll meet other nice folks on the boat. Remember to bring your swimsuit, towel, and sunscreen. A hat and sunglasses are good too. And don't forget your camera to take pictures of all the pretty things. The tours usually don't cost too much. Lunch is included. It's a whole day of fun, chilling out, and seeing beautiful sights. You'll make great memories on the blue-green waters of Fethiye. Scene 6. Walk into the past. Finding the Lycian Way. If you like walking and old stories, Fethiye has something really neat for you. It's where the Lycian Way starts. This is a famous walking path that goes a long way. The Lycian Way is more than 500 kilometers long. That's super long. It goes along the seaside of a very old place called Lycia. You don't have to walk all of it, of course. There are lots of shorter parts you can walk near Fethiye. These walks have great views of the sea and mountains. You'll also see old, broken buildings from long ago along the path. It's like walking in a museum that's outside. The Lycian Way has red and white signs to show you where to go. This helps you not get lost. Some parts of the path are easy. Other parts are a bit harder. You can pick a walk that's good for you. One popular short walk starts near Kayaköy. It goes over a hill and down to Ölüdeniz beach. This walk takes a couple of hours. The views are super good. You'll see the blue lagoon from way up high. It's a great way to see nature, get some exercise, and learn about old times all at once. When you walk on the Lycian Way, you feel close to the past. Lycia was a very old land where people had their own ways of doing things. The Lycian people built big cities and special graves. You'll see some of these along the path. Think about people walking these same paths thousands of years ago. The path also goes through pretty nature spots. You'll walk through pine tree forests and places with olive trees. You might see goats, turtles, and lots of different birds. The air is fresh. The views are calm and nice. Remember to get ready for your walk. Wear good walking shoes. Bring lots of water. Sunscreen and a hat are important, especially when it's hot. It's best to walk in the spring or fall. The weather is cooler then. Summer can be too hot for long walks. You can find maps and books about the Lycian Way, or you can go with a guide on a walking tour. Walking on the Lycian Way is a really good experience. It shows you another part of Fethiye, a part full of old stories and pretty nature. Scene 7, great places to sleep, top Fethiye hotels. After a fun day out, you need a good place to sleep. Fethiye has lots of great hotels. Let me tell you about two really good ones. First, there's the ECE Saray Marina Resort. This hotel is very fancy and nice. It's right by the ECE Marina, where the boats are. You can see pretty boats from the hotel. It's in a great spot. It's close to the middle of Fethiye town, but it's also calm and quiet. The ECE Saray is super comfy and a bit fancy. It's perfect for a special trip. The rooms at ECE Saray Marina Resort are really nice. They are big and look very pretty inside. Lots of rooms have balconies. You can sit on your balcony and look at the view. The hotel has a big swimming pool outside. There are gardens around it. There's also a spa. You can get a massage or try a Turkish bath. That's an old-style steam bath. It feels really good and helps you relax. The people working at ECE Saray are super friendly and good at their jobs. They'll help you with whatever you need. Staying here feels really special. Another super good hotel is the Yacht Classic Hotel. This is a smaller, special kind of hotel. It's also by the water. It feels very cool and modern. The Yacht Classic is known for taking really good care of you. It's a smaller hotel, so it feels more cozy and personal. The hotel looks modern and pretty. It fits in nicely with the nature around it. Lots of people come back here every year. That shows it's a really special place. The rooms at Yacht Classic Hotel are super comfy. Some rooms even have their own hot tubs on the balcony. Think about relaxing in a hot tub looking at the sea. The hotel has 2 swimming pools. One is an infinity pool. It looks like the water just flows right into the sea. There's also a pretty garden. The hotel's restaurant is great. It has yummy food. Yacht Classic Hotel is a good place for couples and for relaxing. Both ECE Saray and Yacht Classic will give you a stay in Fethiye you won't forget. Scene 8. Yummy Turkish food. Eating in Fethiye. Fethiye is a great place for people who love food too. Turkish food has so many good tastes. You have to try it. Let me tell you about 2 great restaurants in Fethiye. First, there's Mosaic Bahçe. That means Mosaic Garden. It's a really nice restaurant in Fethiye town. It's hidden on a quiet little street. The restaurant has a pretty garden area to sit in. You can eat under shady trees and colorful flowers. It's a very comfy and friendly place. Mosaic Bahçe serves old-style food from a big part of Turkey called Anatolia. The food here is like food your grandma would make. It's made with lots of care. They are famous for their mezes. Mezes are little plates of food you eat before your main meal. You can pick lots of different mezes to share, like hummus or a spicy tomato dip. Their main meals are yummy too. Try the lamb or chicken that's cooked for a long time until it's super soft. The food they use is fresh and from nearby. The people working there are very friendly. They tell you about the food. Eating at Mosaic Bahçe is like getting a real taste of Turkey. Another really good restaurant is Alarga Restaurant. This restaurant is in a pretty old stone building. It's near the Fethiye Marina where the boats are. It feels very fancy. Alarga is known for its yummy seafood and food from around the Mediterranean Sea. If you love fresh fish, you'll love this place. It feels romantic and a bit grown up. It's perfect for a special dinner or party. They have a nice outdoor area where you can eat. You can watch the boats in the marina. At Alarga restaurant, they really care about using good food. They serve fish that was just caught from the sea. You can pick your fish from where they show it. They will cook it just right for you, grilled or baked. They also have yummy pasta and meat dishes. They have lots of good wine. They can help you pick a Turkish wine. The people working at Alarga pay good attention to you and are very good at their jobs. It costs a little more than some other places, but it's worth it for a really nice meal. Both Mosaic Bache and Alarga will give you a great taste of Fethiye. Enjoy your food. Scene 9. Your Fethiye trip starts now. Come visit us. Well, our little trip through Fethiye is almost over for now. We've talked about so many cool things, from the super pretty blue lagoon at Ölüdeniz, to the interesting old ghost town of Kayaköy, and the exciting fun of paragliding. Fethiye really has something for everyone who visits. It's a place with amazing pretty nature, with shiny blue-green water and green mountains. It's a place where old stories feel real. Fethiye is more than just pretty things to see. It's about how you feel when you're here. The warm sun on your skin, the taste of yummy Turkish food, the sound of the waves on the beach, and the best part is how friendly the Turkish people are. They will be so happy to see you and will smile a lot. You'll feel right at home in Fethiye. It's a place you'll really love. I hope I made you want to visit this wonderful Turkish place. Fethiye is waiting to show you all its amazing things. Come swim in its clear water. Look at its old buildings. Fly in its skies. Chill out on its pretty beaches. Try its yummy food. There are so many good times waiting for you here. Your Fethiye adventure is just starting. Pack your bags and get ready for a trip you'll never forget. Thanks for coming with me on this little tour. I love telling you about my favorite places. Fethiye is for sure one of them. It's a place that has pretty things, fun adventures, and ways to relax. A place where you can make your own special memories. So come and see Fethiye for yourself. I know you'll love it just like I do. Have a good trip and see you in Fethiye soon. Hoşça kalın. That means goodbye for now in Turkish.